it's lovely to see you again. Today we're going to do some really exciting science. We're going to make a lava lamp and we're going to look at liquids. Sometimes one liquid can be heavier than another liquid. And when liquids are heavy, it's called density. We're going to do a little experiment where we investigate the density of water and how to change it. For this experiment, you are going to need a plastic drinks bottle, some water, food colouring, vegetable oil, glitter, and an effervescent tablet, something like Alka-Seltzer or a Berocca tablet. You might need to ask your grown-up for that. Now, this is quite a messy experiment, so you are going to need to make sure that you've got an adult nearby and also that you have a tray underneath your bottle to catch any drips. Are you ready? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill the plastic bottle half full with vegetable oil. Just halfway up, it's quite sticky. The next thing we're going to do is fill the rest of the bottle up with water, leaving a little gap at the top. Can you see what's happening? The water is more dense than the oil, so it's sinking to the bottom and the oil is staying on the top. The next thing we're going to do is put some liquid food colouring into the bottle. Can you see how it drops down? When we did it, our food colouring went all the way down to the bottom because it was the most dense liquid that we had used. If you would like to, you could put a little bit of glitter on the top. Some glitter might sink to the bottom and some glitter might stay on the top depending on how heavy it is. And now's the fun bit. You will need a grown-up nearby. Pop your Alka-Seltzer tablet or your Berocca tablet into the bottle and let's see what happens. Did you see it all moving around? Did you see how the water and the oil and the food colouring all mixed together because of the bubbles inside the effervescent tablet? They were creating a lava lamp. All the different density of liquid moved around just like a real lava lamp. That was so exciting. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Next week we'll be doing lots more exciting science, so keep tuned and see you soon. Remember to send us your pictures on the email down below. Bye!